Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make Ronaldo in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to follow my steps and you will be good to go. First, take wind and add earth to it to create dust. After that, add wind, add sandstorm, add another sandstorm, add water, add dust bowl, and you'll get a mud bowl. Now, add mud, add football, set it aside and place earth beside it. Once done, add another earth with it, combine both of these together and add goal with it to get trophy. After that, add soccer and then add another soccer with it to get Ronaldo. So that's basically how you can make Ronaldo in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.